Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today in my farm coat, because it's cold out here filming, or my farm hoodie, I'd like to show you my show and tell that I'm joining in with Tracy at Eclectic Wandering. This is Josefina, and I am going to, I attempted to make her a little outfit complete with, oh, I got that a little crooked there, don't I? Complete with little, what do you call them, bloomers underneath. Yes, I did make those, and yes, my machine pushed that back up. I was trying to line it up like this one. Darren made these darling little shoes. I love them. They stay on the foot. They go on from the little toe over. All right, let me put this back on correct so that, oh, I still got it crooked. Well, you know what, doesn't matter. I've got the elastic in the sleeves a little big. I wish it were a little tighter so that that would sit up on the hand a little better. But overall, I'm pleased. I took the idea from the Josefina that I did recently with Starts and Stitches Karen, and we recreated some historical outfits. And the idea was, on my own with a pattern that I souped up, I guess is the word, I made this this is actually her nightgown, if you want to be honest.
A little shift or something?
It was her nightgown. And then it's also a chemise. I made it longer than a shirt. I didn't want to show it to you with the skirt on to start because I didn't want it wrinkled. So let's see if the skirt is going to fit on over all this. I didn't make it, I wasn't thinking at the time that I made the skirt that I was going to put all this underneath. On the bloomers, I used string elastic, you know, a little thicker, but not like you put a quarter inch in the little skirts. The skirt does fit over everything, but it made it a little shorter. I had it thinking it was going to come down here, but I'm okay with it. I really am. And what I was thinking when I made the shirt longer in white was that will keep the red dye away from her body. And then Darren made her a little stand. God, I love these. I love these. And we are going to set her up. Oh, I wanted to show you. This was a Preloved doll, but she came with her original flowers and bow. I didn't even undo that. These dolls are just, and if their hair isn't still braided, after you get them washed up, they just clean up so well. I might need to adjust that stand just a little. Pull that down a little bit. And she is going to stand right here with this Josefina.
That goat looks giant there.
It's too small for, I guess it's a pygmy. I did want to show this book and what I had used. I think this time I used the shirt that they call smocked, which it's not. But I made it about, I don't know, I might have gone even an inch longer, probably 3/4 of an inch. And my skirt, when I figured out the size I wanted, I wrote it down in the book so I'd have that all together. But this also has no, that's the robe. Where is I should have marked it. This is a nice book. This is a really nice book. You can even make, look, a little doll. But it says right on it, patterns fit 6.5-inch American Girl, Our Generation, Minnie, and Twinkle, the doll. That's what they call this doll. All right, I was going to show you. These are great patterns. It even has shoe patterns. That's a little raincoat I'm still working on. Had a little trouble with it and had to take it back out. Where is that? It's a little A-line dress I'm going to make. Well, where is it? Oh, well. It's got jeans and shorts and a skirt. It's got all kinds of stuff. Here it is. Here's the gown. You can actually make a little gown, and I have, and I'm really pleased with this pattern. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.